So my name is Meaghan. I'm an RN. I've been with Care Options for Kids a little over 4 years now. I love it, honestly. I wouldn't choose any other field. I started in rehab, so I worked with geriatrics for about a year and a half, and it was a float hall, so I would also do some patients that were long-term care. And then after that, I went to multi-specialty, and I pretty much worked every specialty you could possibly imagine. I love that a lot, but that was mainly adults, and every now and then I'd get kids, but I found that I really enjoy pediatrics most. I kind of wanted more of like an intimate one-on-one setting. I think working in a clinic and working like at, rehab and everything, you just find that you don't have time to do proper care. It feels like a lot of the time. So for me, it was easier to be able to follow their progress and everything else. And I'm very much a person that's like, give me an update. So working at the clinic, you don't ever get an update. I'm like, what happened to my patient? I think at least with Care Options, it's been great because I've been able to call and say, hey, I'm not comfortable here. I've never had to leave in the middle of a shift, but I know that if it got so bad that I had to, I know that they would have my back enough to make arrangements. So, I could, and I think that that's amazing because, you don't have to be on the fence if you know that there is a backup plan. So for me personally, I think it's a great thing that you kind of get a little bit more freedom than you would at a lot of other companies. Like I don't constantly have to check in with somebody, my schedule's set, I come to work, I do my job. If they need something, they reach out, and I love that. Don't necessarily need to be micromanaged, and some people do like that, but I personally don't. But it is nice. I have been able to, go to school while working here and getting an entire degree, and that's been great. But I also feel like it's nice to be able to reach out to the office and, hey, this is a problem I'm having. And, I've never really had too many hiccups, I would say. Everything's been smooth. Like, out of all the jobs I've ever had, it kind of feels more like a roommate type of thing where I'm just like, hey, this is what's going on in my life.